Students at Oswego State are preparing for spring break, some a little earlier than their classes' schedules permit. The bus provided by the college to New York City and Long Island will depart at 4 in the afternoon. However, Faculty Assembly Chair Susan Kemp says there will be at least 3 classes still in session at that time.
If any students in those classes are involved, it's obviously up to them to ask their professor if it's okay, which it's not, since they paid for those classes. And then you skip 1 class or 2 classes or 3 classes to go home, you're throwing your money away.
Not all students are eager to skip class to get an early start on break.
I had to talk to my professor beforehand, take a test before that day, and then hurry up and get on that bus.
Student Nick Lanzat feels that there is a simple solution to that problem.
Cut classes at a certain time or something. Just let us go, because some of us have a long trip to take to go home.
We tend to find that no matter when the break starts, students leave a day or 2 before the break starts.
Extending the vacation by cutting some classes may seem a good advantage for some students, but ultimately it is your money and education that goes on break. This is Miao Miao reporting. Back to you.